Okay, let's start with IELTS Speaking Part 2, and your topic is describe a person who likes to read a lot. You will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Please, you can start.
I would like to talk about my sister Aksa. She is my elder sister and almost 27 years old, and we grew up together, so I know her since I was a child. And I observed that she had a special connection with the books and reading, and she enjoys to read novel magazines. On the other hand, she loves poetry, but not only that, I personally observed that she enjoys to love fiction, because she loves stories with fiction that have characters like deep characters and emotional plots. And I think that she inherited it from my father, because my father always talk about the new things that are happening in daily life. So not only that, my sister also took participate in a debate competition, and she won that, because the hobby of reading enhanced her vocabulary and grammar and fluency. Even I gifted her books on her birthday, and she loved that gift. To conclude my discussion, I must say that the reading is passion for her.
All right, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Overall, it's good, but you need to brush up your English pronunciation.
जी.
Along with that, when you were talking, and there is subject verb agreement, you said, my father talk. It should have been, my father talks. S or ES should be added to the verb, okay? And overall, it's fine. Yes, fluency is another area. You need to practice to become fluent, and for pronunciation, IELTS listening will help you. The way you have performed here, this type of speaking may bring you 6 band, but with a little extra effort, you can achieve 6.5 or above, right? Thank you so
Thank
much.